Palantir stock is down over 6%. This is Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. So the stock is under heavy scrutiny as it continues to print lower prices despite its blockbuster run this year. It has lost around 12% since the last week. So why this sell-off? So it could be profit taking, an outstanding 118% year to date gain, and a staggering 409% rally over the last 12 months. So investors are probably locking in profits. Shorter report on the valuation debate. A recent short seller report added pressure, sharpening concerns over Palantir's stretched valuation. The stock trades at a 214%, 214x forward earnings, nearly 10x the S&P 500 average of 22x. Technical weakness. Traders are pointing to potential gap fills, key support levels, and broader momentum signals as reasons for the continued weakness. So the bull case, AI and government contracts. Bulls argue the dip is a healthy consolidation after a meteoric run, with Palantir still positioned as a premier AI software provider and earnings strength. The most recent blowout earnings report showed accelerating commercial adoption of its AIP platform, reaffirming its leadership in AI-powered enterprise solutions, which is enterprise and the enterprise, or rather, the AI cycle is, or rather, the AI boom. The AI we're now going to expected to go into the phase of AI, which is a phase where inferencing is expected to be dominant, and inferencing, obviously, as you can imagine, is the stuff that enterprises need. So yeah, if you want to cheapen an argument or a word or a support to the bull case, then you could say that yes, the company is doing well in that direction. It's going in the direction that the broader industry is going to. So it's already there, if you like. So retail momentum appeal with strong community interest, high trading volume, and persistent AI hype. Many traders see any pullback as a buy the dip opportunity. This may well be one. So the bear case, sky high valuation. Critics argue Palantir's 214x earnings multiple is unsustainable, especially if growth slows or if AI-driven revenue fails to scale as quickly as hoped. Wall Street skepticism. Of the 29 analysts polled by FactSet, the majority rate Palantir hold, with only 7 calling it a buy. Price targets widely spread from as low as $45 to as high as $210, reflecting deep uncertainty. So yeah, but this is also what feeds, if you like, even if it feeds the short interest, because the short interest is not only the it's not only the mostly, of course, when they're sold short, that is much more concrete, that's much more profound. But this the skepticism from analysts is also a sort of it's an intangible shot. It's an intangible shot because they may reverse their opinions, and then when they reverse it, there's a FOMO playing out. So macro risks, rising interest rates, and potential rotations out of expensive tech into value sectors could continue to pressure high multiple names like Palantir. So the bottom line, Palantir's sell-off reflects the tension between fundamentals and momentum. Bulls see a powerful AI leader in consolidation mode, while bears argue the stock's valuation leaves a little margin for error, with shares retreating from as high from with shares retreating after such a historic run. The next few trading sessions could be critical in determining whether this is merely a pause or the start of a broader correction. We'll just see. We'll see. Intraday high 190. as of August the 12th. That was Tuesday, a week ago. $190. I think. Let's see. They did print here, but before we get there, um, do we have projections? We have 163.73, just slight upper projection from where it's currently trading. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Wednesday. That's up to tomorrow's pre-market session, when we expected to see when we're expecting to see a bounce. That is expected to remain strong up till Thursday, the 28th. In terms of projections, I think we might see easily find some. We've seen 190 already. 175, 170, 179.56, 188.63, 182.28, 171.99. Down projections: 144.65, 147.09, 155, 151.06. Yeah, okay. Selling pressure must be ramped up already. Let's see. Yeah, everything is severely bearish, but we have a positive, strongly positive second derivative on its 21 period moving average, indicating that there seems to be a support somewhere. Maybe that's why we have a pivot being extrapolated, uh, a bounce being extrapolated by the end of today's trading, no, by tomorrow's pre-market session. Let's have a look at the daily chart. We have okay. Let's see. Lower prices expected to keep laying out up till okay. Well, it's expected to consolidate somewhat up till Wednesday next week. Yeah, Wednesday next week. So consolidation is expected to play out up to Wednesday next week. Then for a decline and then a bounce, but a lot can happen between now and then. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. No guarantee at all. If anything, maybe just one day. But if there are no if things remain the way they are, then there's a good chance this will the stock will play out as has been extrapolated, at least up till Tuesday, the 2nd of September. But obviously, never, absolutely never like that. There will always be something that will play out. So upper projection here is 175.89. We've seen 190 already. Let's see. We may have, I think we have even projections, we ambitious, really high projections. I think we do. We should have projections up to. I mean, I can remember not long ago the stock was trading at $80. Not long ago, a couple of weeks ago, yeah, a couple of months ago, yes, $80. Um, yeah, I believe we may have had projections that pointed up to all the way towards $200. I think we may have had something like that for Palantir. Let's see what do we do. We should have it somewhere. We should have it somewhere. Palantir, PLTR. Okay, not in sight, but we definitely had something like that. Was ambitious projections like that. So, what we can clearly see, 190 is out here on its intraday high, and it was just quite recent. This was on the 12th of August. I think that's the highest it has ever printed. 120, yeah, 190, yeah. It's all time high, I believe, yeah. So jump in there and see what you make of this weakness that Palantir is showing, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.